Hello everyone, this is my enhancement number 9, and today I'm going to show you my product detail view and how we add some images in it, like thumbnails. As you can see here, this is a new section with 2 more images, and here we can see that the images is a thumbnail and the height is not more 200, and the other picture, it's also the thumbnail. Here we have the termination, and this image is the full size image, and its size is less than 300 pixels on the height. And okay, let's see the HTML validator. Okay, we have 0 errors and no warnings. And let's see the CSS. We have some warnings, 8, but 0 errors. That's okay. And now I'm going to show you the upload view. This is what we have working this week, and we have the 2 images, the full size and the thumbnail, as you can see here. And now I'm going to show you on my PHP administrator. Okay, the table images with all the pictures on the database, and as you can see we have the thumbnail and the full size images. So okay, that's it, and this is my enhancement number 9. Bye.